My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Hello, hello. Mr. Eric from California sent me this rug. When I open it, it smelled so bad from strong urine odor and chemicals that somebody tried to clean this rug. Mr. Eric told me I took this rug to 2 Oriental rug cleaner. And I asked them, can you clean it? Can you remove the odor? They looked at the rug and they said, nobody in the world can do that. Let me tell you about PetPeePee. I love challenge, and especially when somebody cannot do that, I have to succeed and finish and remove the urine odor completely. So I put together a cleaning product from the Dead Sea. Then it is odor-free. And I built the XpetPee machine from scratch myself. And I have to prove to myself all the time that my cleaning machine and product and process is the best in the world. The best. And I guarantee in writing, it's my word, it's my honor, it's my reputation, to remove the urine odor, to remove the bad odor, to remove the foul odor completely. So when Mrs. Eric, wife, will receive the rug and she will go on her knees and smell the rug, because they are a little bit skeptical if I can succeed with something like this. I want Mrs. Eric to look at him and she said, wow, I cannot believe that he removed the odor. That's what I want to hear. And Mr. Eric promised me that he's going to take the rug to those stores that he's been there and show them then the rug can be clean. So how my cleaning process working? Very simple. I apply the cleaning product on the top. My cleaning product is odor free, so it will never deposit any odor to mask, to cover the existing odor that it's in the rug. No, my cleaning product will take over the other odor and it will destroy it, because it's from the Dead Sea. Dead, kaput, gone, met, finished. This is my cleaning product. And my invention, my revolutionary cleaning process is that I flood the rug on the top slowly. So I am not going to generate any foam, any bubble, any soap that will ignite and make difficult to clean the rug. For this reason, the cleaning process have to go on the top gently, slowly. And then the vacuum from under the rug pull everything. Everything will come from the top to the bottom. And the vacuum will extract again and again and again and again, many, many times. This time on this rug, I calculate it was 64 times the cleaner went from the top through the rug to the bottom. Every time, approximately 70 gallons of cleaner. After I finish cleaning, the tube that you see right now must be clean, clear. And how I know? The vacuum, when it will extract all the cleaner residue from the cleaner, then it's sucked through the rug, have to be clear. This is the indication. And when I finish cleaning the rug and I dry the rug completely done, I fold the rug. After you dry completely, I fold the rug. I put it in a big garbage bag, you know, the commercial black bag. And then I leave the bag closed for 2 days. After 2 days, I'm coming over, opening the bag, and put my nose and smell it. Please listen how the vacuum working. That's it. The rug is clean. The tube is clear. This is what I'm looking for. And I'm very happy. It takes me 6 hours to clean the rug. Maybe I have to do it one more time. Let's see in a couple days.